And how bad could it be?
I mean, it's pretty bad.
Oh.
All right, welcome back, Jammer Nation.
Hey, we've been looking at our stats for our videos. Probably a little too much. And it seems like most of you all ditch our videos in like the first 15 seconds. So we're gonna redo this intro and we're gonna keep it short.
All right,
Let's go. Welcome back,
Jammer Nation.
front
And
disassembly.
let's go.
That came off too easy.
Well, I mean, I used the Hulk Hogan guns.
Kind of seemed reenacted to me.
I think you're making stuff up. Let's get this out of here.
Grill was successfully removed. We're gonna leave the hood on.
Yeah. But
Why are we
now-
doing that?
Well, because we don't want to put, we don't know what we're going to do with our hood yet, whether we're going to repair it or replace it. So, and it's not really a necessity to take it off. Plus, it provides protection.
Yeah, because we had to leave it out in
Yeah.
the leaves, which Ryan really hates all these leaves up
Yeah,
there.
it's killing me slowly, softly.
If we could put like a car cover over it, he would be really happy.
Yeah. So the next thing we're going to do is try to remove this headlight. Now, normally you would have to remove all these screws, but since the guy before us decided to wreck it, we don't have to do that.
Well, he removed them the easy way,
Yeah.
smashing into something.
Yeah, see? Look at that. Just came right out of my hand. I don't know. So, yeah, so let me go ahead and just remove these so we have them. Definitely don't want to have to buy screws and bits.
I think we said in the last episode that we were leaning towards buying an aftermarket set of lights, right?
Yeah. So what we're gonna need is we're actually gonna need just our bulb and our ballast. So this is our ballast here. It looks like they're probably 5.5s, 5.5s, which is a typical Ford.
So we'll have to transfer these over to our new light, right?
Yep. Yeah,
It's just ballast. Does it work pretty much just like a regular ballast on a fluorescent bulb? Is that the
it
idea?
actually works like a ballast on a submarine.
So it keeps it afloat?
Yeah, I don't know anything about this stuff. Nothing. As you can see, I can't even take it off.
Well, it wasn't a 5, and it wasn't a 6,
It's a 7. It wasn't an 8.
and it wasn't a 7,
It wasn't an 8.
and it wasn't an 8,
So it must be,
so it wasn't a 7. So what is it, Ryan?
Ryan don't know.
Here we go, one light bulb, disassembled.
And she's out.
Nice. So we're gonna do the other side too, right? We're gonna be really gentle.
Yeah, the other side we actually want to keep.
Not gentle like the trailer video. We'll put a little tag, a little thingy out on the top for
Proper
that one.
gentle.
Ryan, we got both the lights off,
Yep, both lights are off.
and we're moving towards this. What's this thing called again? This filler?
Bumper filler. We're gonna try to get that next, and then the bumper, and then the fender. So, but right now I'm gonna try to get this skid side plate.
Oh, fender flare.
Flare, that's it.
So we're gonna pop the fender flare off first, and hopefully that'll give us access. There's 2 bolts right here, right in front of us,
Yep.
and it looks like one is bent up underneath. That one right there on the right. Yeah. Trying to get focus.
guys are interested in these pullers, they're on our Amazon affiliate link on the bottom of the description. Check them out. There's a set of them. I think like 6. They're awesome. As my co-part would say, amazing.
Did you call me your co-part?
Yeah, kind of reference you that way on purpose because like
What?
it'll show up in the meta description.
You're trying to trick the
Yeah.
the YouTube algorithm by calling me co-part?
Yep. That's what I just did.
Wow. That's something. There we go. Removed. And we're not gonna be able to reuse this fender flare
No.
because it has seen better days, right?
I wonder, I mean, maybe we put some heat to it, we might be able to save it.
Yeah?
Let us know, guys, out there, if you guys have had any luck with that.
Yeah.
I mean, it's worth a try.
Yeah. All right, we are making quick progress.
We are, together.
Well, no,
We.
well, let's just be honest. You are doing all the work at this
Yes,
point.
but no one could take all this in without you.
It is a lot. It's a lot to take in. So let's, I think we're getting these 2 bolts off for
Yep.
this little
So-
filler piece, right?
Yeah, so ours is trash, so what I figured I would do is
The Ryan way.
the gentle method. There's that.
Wow. I think we're just gonna keep those 2 pieces together, right?
Yeah,
And we are gonna completely pull the fender off.
right.
Looks like that's the next thing. And then when we get it off, then we'll be able to a little more easily get to those 2 bolts right there.
Yep. See?
You know what's funny?
What's that?
I've never really seen this happen to you before, Ryan, but
What's that?
when you're like taking stuff apart,
I'm in the zone, dude.
you are in the zone. Like
Yeah, I
you're
am.
not even trying to be funny.
No.
It's like serious business now, right?
Yeah, it's no game time.
Game time.
Yeah, I don't know. I love this stuff, man. This is what I eat, sleep, and breathe. So. No, am I going the right way?
That's tight. That's tight.
I'm not really a mechanic. I just play one on TV.
That's right. I feel like my only role in this whole entire project is to tell you which way to turn the ratchet.
Hey, man, listen. I have issues with left and right. Anyone that knows me.
I think it's all those years of working on helicopters where there's so many upside down.
You are really good at it,
Bolts to
dude.
pull out.
It blows my mind how quick you can look at something and go, yeah, and I'm just like, wait. What?
That's right, that makes us a good team, Ryan. Team co-part.
Keen co-part.
I don't even know what that means.
Wonder if
What does that have to do with our partnership, Ryan? Calling me co-part.
because like counterpart, I didn't want to call you my counterpart because you're not really my counter.
So what would you call it?
It's co-part,
Co-partner. Co-partner.
Yeah.
That makes tons of
Co-laborer.
That makes tons of sense.
Yeah, that's why co-part's called co-part, right?
I've never thought of that. Do you think anybody else has ever thought about that?
Well,
Hey, if you've thought about this before and all this entire discussion that Ryan and I've been having, you already knew that, comment below and tell us so we know how smart you are also.
It's definitely something else holding in. That guy.
Oh, I see it. Looks like it's from the inside.
here.
Try to get it. There it is, right there.
Watch this.
So it doesn't go on in reverse, right? So the methodology we're currently using,
We're not doing it. When we put it all back.
Attach to the bottom and fold it up.
Yeah.
Ryan, stop! Ryan, stop! Ryan, stop!
What?
We're gonna keep that.
Not anymore, we're not.
Remove this baby.
When all else fails, grab hold.
Grab hold. Man, this thing is coming apart, bro.
Good news is I don't.
That looks pretty good,
I'll have
right?
to replace that.
That
Those
little
are the
piece.
tabs
That's
for the that guy.
nice.
So we can save this guy.
Cool. Cha-ching.
Ching, saving money.
Saving money at every turn. Ryan, why are you bending our bumper?
Why not?
Is this the modified grab hold technique?
This is a grab hold with the wait for it technique. And I wait for it because it comes in time. So
Well, that was effective.
somewhat still on
It's still attached. It's still
got it.
attached, but it was effective. Nice!
America!
You know what? That was a whole lot easier than I thought it was going to be, Ryan.
Yeah.
Because we were looking at those bolts on the backside, and we couldn't get a socket on them, right?
We still have to get them, but these,
Yeah.
this is definitely shot, which we got new. We're gonna have to cut these off and replace them.
Yeah.
Probably take it to the,
That looks pretty good. That looks pretty good.
I mean, that's factory. That's like what it came like from the factory.
It'll be
I
alright.
just sliced my finger open on it.
Ryan, crazy.
The old grab hold technique never fails. Oh boy. I may have hurt myself, but it was all worth it for your viewing pleasure.
Oh man, I was just so happy I was somewhat quick enough to get that. You know, I was already recording. Hey, nice work.
That was intense.
Woo, man, there we go. We got a little bent action there. Looks like we're gonna need some work on both of these pieces. This one is much, much worse. But I think it's fixable.
Yeah.
Shouldn't be too bad.
All right, guys. That's a wrap for this week.
we are done for today. We did a lot, but we want to remind you guys to subscribe, and we will catch you next week, all right?
And we'll see you next time. Jammer Nation!